Hi kids. Hi everyone. Hi kids. Hi everyone. Welcome to the drawing and painting class, kids. Everyone is there. Once again I am welcoming you to the drawing and painting class, kids. So we are meeting once again today with a new session. Yes kids. So today, do you have any guesses what I am going to teach you? Any guesses what I am going to teach you today? Okay. Please comment below, kids. What is that animal which is black and white in color, kids? Which is that animal which is black and white in color? Yes, very good everyone. It is panda. And what does he eat, kids? In the forest? He lives in the forest, right kids? So what does he eat? Yes, he eats grass, then fruits, all these things, right kids? So today we are just going to draw our cutest friend Mr. Panda, okay? So we will be just drawing Mr. Panda eating a watermelon, okay kids? How many of you love watermelon? It is red in color. Yes kids? So today Mr. Panda is eating a watermelon, okay kids? So kids, so are you all ready for today's session? How many of you all are ready for today's session? Okay. So kids, I can see some of my little artist friends still joining in. So let's wait for them everyone. So let's wait for them, okay? So till then let's arrange our materials and everything, okay kids? Okay. Okay everyone, so how is your drawing and painting going on nowadays, kids? Are you all practicing drawing and painting? How many of you all draw last week? How many? Okay. How many of you all love to draw animals? Okay, I can see many of them love to draw animals. And what is your favorite animal, kids? Please let me know, kids, what are your favorite animals? Please everyone, please type your favorite animals. Okay, I really want to know what are your favorite animals, kids. Okay, so please type in the chat option, kids. In the comment box, please chat what are your favorite animals. Okay, so next time we will be just drawing your favorite animals. Okay, yes kids. So I can see all my little friends all ready to draw and paint. Yes everyone. So everyone is excited to draw Mr. Panda eating watermelon. He is very hungry, kids. So he is just started to eat the watermelon. So right now he has already bite one piece of watermelon. Yes kids. So do you want to see today's surprise? Are you all ready? Okay, so let me show you. See kids. Today we are just going to make this very cute panda. Do you see him? He is so cute, right kids? Yes, so today we are just going to draw and color this panda, okay? So are you all excited to draw him? Yes everyone, I know everybody is excited to draw him. So I will be just telling you some very simple steps, kids, and you just need to follow those steps, okay? Yes kids? So please all just be ready and put all your focus onto the drawing, okay kids? Okay, so let's begin today's session, okay kids? So I am just shifting to the workstation, okay? So let me introduce you to today's materials, kids. For this you need a paper, A3 sheet paper. You can just fold it into half so that it becomes an A4 size paper, okay? And then you need some sketch pens, your crayons or oil pastels, pencil, eraser, sharpener, and that's it. And your black marker, okay kids? That's it. this is it for today. These are our materials for today's session. And now I will be just starting the drawing, okay? Everybody put all your focus onto the drawing, okay? So I am first of all just folding my sheet into two halves. So I have folded my sheet into two halves, kids. Okay, you see, I have got my sheet, okay. So now I will be just starting to draw, okay. So let's start today's session, kids. Okay. So kids, to draw the panda, first of all, you need to draw an oval, okay? First of all, draw an oval. Everybody. Draw an oval, everyone. Okay. Please draw an oval. And then just behind this oval you need to draw one more oval, okay? This will be a bigger oval, okay? This is my bigger oval, okay? Okay. So first of all, you see, first we drew a smaller oval, okay? And then a bigger oval just behind this oval, okay? So everybody please draw these ovals, kids. A smaller oval and then a bigger oval. Drawn, everyone? Have you all drawn the ovals, kids? After drawing the ovals, I will be just drawing these lines, okay? I will be just drawing a curve, okay? Just at the corner of these two ovals where it is meeting, okay? I will be just drawing a line, okay? And I will be just joining these two ovals, okay? I will be just joining these lines. Once again I will do the same. Once again I am just drawing a curve just at the corner of this oval, okay? Just at the corner of this oval I have drawn a line, okay? That's it. Okay, everyone? And then I will be just drawing a line at the center, okay? Okay, please draw a line. After you drew these curves, after you just join these lines, we will be just drawing a line in the center, okay? Just a center and then we will be making the eyes of our panda. Okay, so you see I have drawn his eyes. Okay, and then I will be just making the watermelon. Okay, the watermelon which he is eating. Okay kids, so to draw the watermelon I will be just drawing an upside down half circle, or you can see say a D. Okay, a sleeping D, or a half circle. Yeah, okay kids, a sleeping D or a half circle. Okay, so now from this place I will be just starting to draw. I'm drawing a line. Okay, and now I'm just drawing my half circle. Okay, if you can't draw a circle, then you can just take the lid of a container or anything. Okay kids, and just place the container over this place and just draw the circle. Okay, the half circle just in the middle of this place. Just stop from this middle of this of the circle, just start drawing the half circle. Okay, so I am now drawing my watermelon which he is holding. You see kids, I have drawn the watermelon. I hope everybody has started drawing kids. So you see I have drawn the half circle for the watermelon. Okay, so I will be just drawing a line and then this half circle. Okay, so first of all, once again I am just explaining you how I drew the face of my panda. Okay, first of all I drew an oval. Okay, first of all I drew an oval. Okay, and then a bigger oval. Okay, just below this oval I drew a bigger oval. Okay, and then I just joined these two ovals with a curve. Okay, I just made this line smoother and just joined these two ovals. Okay, and then I just drew these this line, this straight line in the middle. Okay, and then I drew these ovals to make his eyes. Okay, and then I will be just drawing his ears. Okay, now I am drawing his ears. To draw his ears, you can just draw two D's, or you can just draw two C's, or two half circles. Okay, so I am now making the ears of the panda bear. After drawing his ears, I will be making his nose. Okay, to make his nose I am just drawing a triangle. Okay, just a triangle to make his nose, and then just a upside down line. Okay, an upside down line, and then a small curve, then another small little line. Okay, and then another small little curve, because he is munching the watermelon. Okay, so I have just drawn another curve. Okay, so that it looks like something is inside his mouth. So I have just drawn. So kids, this is my main basic skeleton, okay, to make this drawing. I hope you all have understood this, kids, how to draw. It is really very simple, kids, and it is really very easy. If you don't understand the steps, watch the video again and again, okay, kids. So kids, please draw till this part. Everybody first draw two ovals, then join the corners of the ovals, then draw a straight line, then two ovals for his eyes, then two half circles for his ears, then a triangle for his nose, and then a half circle for the watermelon, okay. So this is how you will be completing the whole drawing, kids. This is how you will be completing the whole drawing, okay. So you see, kids, this is the reason I always tell you to practice more of shapes. This is the reason I just always tell you to practice more of shapes, so that you can always draw these beautiful and cute characters just with the help of using simple shapes. You see, kids, it is so easy to draw the panda bear just with the help of these simple steps. So yes, kids, just draw these simple shapes, these simple ovals and circles, and draw the panda bear, okay. And then I will be just drawing two small circles to make his hands, okay, because he is holding the watermelon, okay. So I will be just making two ovals, and I will be just making some curves because he has already eaten little bit of watermelon. So I have just made those curves, okay, kids. So I will be now just outlining my panda bear, kids, okay. So you see, kids, this is how I will be outlining, okay. First of all, I drew this part, his head part. And then I am drawing his ears. Okay, please draw his ears, kids. Everybody please draw his ears. Everybody please draw the ears, kids. Everybody please draw the ears, his head. And then I am drawing his eyes, okay. Okay, I have drawn his eyes, and then his nose, okay, then his mouth, okay. Please draw till this part, kids. And then I will be just drawing the inner eyeballs of the panda. To make the inner eyeballs, I am just drawing two small circles inside the ovals, okay. I will be just drawing his eye pupils and some more little circles, some small circles inside the eyeball. Okay, I will be just doing the same here. Just drawing a circle. Okay, okay, and then I will be drawing another smaller circle. Okay, then his eye pupils, and then two more smaller circles inside his eyes. Okay, now I will be just coloring this part. Coloring the eyeball part. Okay, so I'm just coloring his eye part. Okay, okay, and now I will be just outlining my watermelon. If you can't draw this line with your hands, then you can just take the help of your scale. Okay, and I'm drawing my half circle. I'm drawing two ovals for his hands, with which he is holding the watermelon. Okay, then I will be just drawing lines at the bottom. Okay, of the watermelon, just a double line. Just a double line. Okay, kids, so everybody please draw till this part. Kids, everybody please draw till this part. And then I will be just drawing the seeds of my watermelon. Okay, just draw some droplets. Okay, for the seeds, as if it's raining. Okay, kids, just draw some droplets for our seeds. Just put some little white space inside the seeds. Okay, will be just drawing some hearts at the top. Okay. Okay. So my drawing is complete. You can see, kids, I have finished drawing. Okay. So kids, please finish the drawing, kids. Everybody please finish the drawing. I'm coloring his ears with my black sketch pen. I hope everybody is drawing. Yes, I can see some of my little friends, artist friends have completed the drawing. It is really very good, kids. Very good, everyone. Everyone is really going great. Very good, everyone. You all are really brilliant artists, kids. Really good. See, I'm coloring his palms, his paws. So as you can see, kids, I have colored his paws. Okay. And now I will be just erasing my eye extra outlines. Okay, kids. And please, kids, just follow those instructions how I have just said you. Okay. So now I am just erasing my extra lines so that my artwork looks more neat. Okay. So please finish the drawing, everyone, kids. Please, everyone, please finish the drawing. Have you all finished the drawing, kids? Now I am just making his cheeks with my pink sketch pen. Okay. And just draw an oval and then just color it with pink. I'm coloring his eye pupils with my blue shade. Okay. He's colored till this part, kids. He is just munching on the watermelon, na kids? He has just eaten this much part of the watermelon. So everybody please draw properly, kids. Please draw properly. I hope you all are following my instructions. If you follow those instructions, you will be able to draw properly, okay? And there is no hurry. Please take your time, okay? Please draw the oval very properly, okay? If you want to get the perfect shape of Mr. Panda, then just try to draw the oval properly, okay? Those two ovals properly, okay? So I am waiting for each one of you to finish till this step. Just trying to make this part more darker. Okay kids, done with this part. And now I will be just coloring the watermelon. Okay. To color the watermelon, I am taking my green shade. Okay. And this part I am just coloring with my green shade. Okay, now I am just taking my light green shade to color this part of my watermelon. Okay, this part you will be doing with your dark green, okay, and this part you will be doing with your coloring with your light green, okay kids. Now I am just taking my red shade, okay, my red oil pastel, and now I will be just coloring the watermelon, okay. So everybody please take your red oil pastel or crayon and just start coloring the watermelon, okay. Please color the watermelon properly, okay? Please color the watermelon properly. I hope everybody is coloring. So kids, always try to color in same direction, okay? And please try your best that the color do not goes out of the lines, okay? Please try your best that the color do not goes out of the lines, okay? And kids, there will be no zigzag lines, no vertical lines, and no horizontal lines, okay? Just in one direction, okay kids? Just see how I am coloring. I am just trying to keep it as neat as possible, right kids? So please try to color as neat as possible, okay? So that Mr. Panda looks very happy and good, okay? We all want and our pandas to look good, right kids? So please color him properly, okay? So please finish coloring the red portion. Everybody is coloring, kids. Everybody is coloring. Everybody is enjoying how to make Mr. Panda. So you see kids, I have colored the watermelon, okay? And I will be coloring these hearts also with my red shade, okay? So everybody please color till this part, kids. So I hope kids you all have completed till this part, and now I am just coloring the remaining hearts. So this is how we will finish our drawing, okay kids? This is how we will be finishing our Mr. Panda, okay kids? I hope you all have understood the process, the the technique how I drew Mr. Panda. Yes kids? So kids, please draw it well. Please color it well. Okay everyone? So let me see how much you all have finished till now. I can see some of my little artist friends have finished till the panda, okay? It is okay kids, please take your time, okay? There is no hurry. Yes kids, please take your time and finish it. I hope you all are following the instructions how I taught you how to draw the main basic step, okay kids? Yes, so kids, every time please remember to draw more and more of circles and triangles and ovals, okay kids? So that next time when you are asked to draw any other character, you will be able to draw it properly, okay? So kids, I can see some of my little artist friends have just finished it. It is really going great, kids. Very good, everyone. Very nice, very lovely. Great job, everyone. Most of my little artist friends are really very talented, I can see. So kids, yeah, I can see most of them have finished, and whoever have not finished, they can just take their time and just finish it, okay? Yes kids, so I will be just meeting you next time, okay, with a new character, okay, with a new fun character which you will be enjoying to draw and color. Yes kids? Okay, so kids, today I am just going to share you a tip, okay? Okay, yes kids, this is the tip of the day. Yes kids, so just hear it properly, okay kids, and just remember it. Take your notebooks and just write this tip on your notebook, okay kids? So this is the special tip of the day. So are you all ready for the special tip of the day, kids? Everyone ready? Okay everyone. So kids, today's tip of the day is practice more and more of circles and ovals. Okay kids? The more you practice circles and ovals, the more you will be able to make all the characters very properly. Yes kids, because we are just going to learn many other characters. So to draw those characters, you just need to draw the circles and the ovals and triangles properly. Okay kids? So please practice more and more of these shapes so that you can draw better, okay kids? So this is the special tip of the day, and just remember it because it is really very helpful to you all, okay kids? So I hope you all have enjoyed today's session, and I will be just meeting you next time with a very interesting fun session, okay? So this is it for today kids. Bye for now. Bye everyone.